Hello, my beautiful flower friends. It has been a while, but I am back with another flower pressing tutorial. In this video, we will be transforming this beautiful pansy into this pressed pansy. How are you? I know it has been a while. I have been taking it a little more slow, so I've been trying to get back into running every other day and just enjoying the blooms of spring. I hope you guys are enjoying the warmer weather of spring. I also bought a potted pansy plant. Say that 3 times fast. I did forget to water it a couple days. Don't worry, no pansies were harmed in the making of this video. Pansies symbolize love, but not just any love, specifically platonic love. So this flower is wonderful to gift to your family, and hint hint your mom, because Mother's Day is coming up. To gather your pansies for pressing, you can snip it off, or you can just pinch off the stem as close to the base as possible. And then I'm going to snip off the stem and the flower head so that I can press them both separately. Then I'm laying the pansy flower heads face down onto the press, and this is where you want to make sure the spur of the pansy is going in the same direction as you are rolling over your top layer of paper. If you don't do this, you may risk breaking off the spur, and I'll just feel really bad for the pansy. So just be diligent and make sure that the spur is going in the same direction as you are rolling over the paper. Then we can press the stems on its own layer. Pansies are one of those flowers that you need to press as fresh as possible. In this video, the pansy is a little older, so its petals are a bit droopy and wilted, and you can see how it's folded onto itself. So if you are pressing an older pansy, you might only be able to press it in profile because the petals won't be able to lay open all the way. Pansies press very quickly, so I think my pansies only needed to be in the press for about a week. And here is our perfectly pressed pansy. I hope you guys found this helpful, and if you do press any pansies, please tag me on Instagram because I would love to see. I am also working on a how to press ranunculus workshop, so that is currently in the works. If you are interested, please sign up for my newsletter. I will link it down below because my website is under construction yet again. But I will keep you updated if you are part of the BFF crew on the newsletter. Until next time, take care, happy pressing, bye. Please